Good afternoon, guys. Nick here with Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery, and today I'm going to show you how to take the separations that you just did in SEP Studio and import those so you can print them to the screen. So what we've done here is we open up a program called Print Production Screen. You can find that program down here. It's going to be number 3. If it's open, cool, you're ready to use it. If not, just go ahead and open it. Once it loads, you're going to come up here to the little green folder in the upper left, the open folder. You're going to select that. And then you're looking for the separations that you just did. This particular one is going to be a Kaizink. We're going to do the left chest, LC, and a back. So I'm going to go ahead and select the left chest here. I'm going to hold shift in my up arrow, and that's going to select both of those together. Just hit enter. And it's going to bring those in, and it's going to load them up for us. You can see that it was just generating here. It takes a minute to think. So the back is going to have 3 different screens: the base, the color, and then a highlight white. And then our left chest is going to be the base and the highlight white. So we're going to go ahead and start with the left chest. We're going to start with our live base here. So I'm just going to select that. And then you want to load your eye image. So I'm going to grab our screen. And we've explained in a previous video on how to load the eye image. So I'm not necessarily going to cover that, but it is explained in another video. So once we have our screen loaded, we have our blue light on, ready to print. I'm going to come over here to number 1, which is my eye image control panel. And I'm just going to do a cap off. What a cap off does is during the course of the eye image sitting idle, it will cap the print head so no dust or particles or anything gets in there to disrupt the print head. All right, we want to make sure that guy's nice and clean.